Hi, welcome to For-Seller channel. This video will guide you how to complete the initialization settings for orders with standard mode. The first step, you need add your shipping carrier's account in For-Seller. Click Setting button and click Order and Shipping. Platform orders usually allow for either using the platform's logistics for fulfillment or having the merchant handle the logistics themselves. After authorizing the store, For-Seller will automatically activate the corresponding platform's platform logistics. If you need to use the logistics provided by the merchant, you must find the corresponding logistics provider on For-Seller and authorize the merchant's logistics account to For-Seller. Step 2. Create the proprietary warehouse in For-Seller. Under the standard shipping mode, the inventory is managed normally in For-Seller. Before processing the order, a proprietary warehouse needs to be created in For-Seller. Click Address, create address for your warehouse. Red indicates mandatory fields. After filling in the required information as needed, click Done. Then, select Warehouse Settings, click Create. Fill in warehouse name, and select address you set in For-Seller, and click Save. By the way, For-Seller also support fulfilling orders via Amazon MCF. If you are interested in it, you can search for the help article or video on For-Seller Help Center to have a try. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe For-Seller channel. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with For-Seller customer service.